Well, this is the core committee of the Shillong All Faith Forum. So we urgently met today because of the situation in Shillong, and we all feel very bad about this. Feel bad, and at the same time we also feel shy. Now the whole world has come to know what is happening, and especially not only within Meghalaya, but involves Assam. So with this great concern among all of us as a forum, we have discussed about it, and we have decided that at this point, at this juncture, all we can do is issue a press release, which Mr. Lama will take care of that, appealing for peace, for harmony, for calmness, and avoid all kinds of violence. Whatever issues are there, whatever problems are there, there are procedures. There is a course of law, and these are common things which people need to do. We will appeal for them to remain calm and be considerate, and also keep in mind not just for the issues which they have, which are also our issues, but also keep in mind the inconveniences of the common people.
That we need to, as soon as possible, retrieve the original situation, and also we appeal that good sense will prevail with our neighboring state, and we are very hopeful that good sense will prevail among Meghalaya community. We are as a community, we are as a family, and we need to stand tall and retrieve from the situation. So